Hey guys, so this is an update video. We tried to crank this car up, but obviously it didn't from sitting 2-3 years here. So what we decided, it was gonna be a fuel issue. Um, so now we have the car up in jacks and jack stands. We're gonna have to drop the gas tank and see what's wrong with the gas pump. And that's what we're gonna do this whole day, so hopefully it doesn't take us forever. um, and you'll see how we do that. Alright guys, so we have the gas tank out finally. It's in pretty good shape actually, surprisingly. We do have to clean it up though, and we have to make sure and get the fuel pump out and figure out what's going on with it. And it was surprisingly a lot easier than we thought, so it didn't take us that long. So the day's gonna be pretty short for us today. Alright guys, so we finally drained some of the gas out, and we did take out what we thought was a fuel pump, but it was just a sending unit. The good thing about it is that actually the gas was diluted, and this right here is actually cracked, and that's actually what tells me whether the gas is full or empty. And it's a good thing we took that out because it was actually cracked, but that's not the fuel pump, so that's not the major problem that we have. The fuel pump is actually located in the car, and the car is right below the alternator. The pump is actually, and I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, that's it right there. And we're probably gonna have to remove that, see if we can fix it. If not, we're probably just gonna have to replace it, which is fine. It shouldn't be that much. And we do have to make some access, so we'll do that right now. Alright guys, we're at the end of the video. As you can see, we took out the fuel pump already. It's a pretty old school fuel pump. And we have the sending unit out there. We need to replace that. We need to replace the fuel pump. We need to replace the old gas that was in there that was set for like 2-3 years. And we appreciate you viewing our video and liking our video, and please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. We'll be putting everything back together, and hopefully we can get the car running and give y'all an extremely fast, mediocre burnout. Thank you guys.